You right?
Hello. Yeah. You're not supposed to be on this. It's a public right of way.
It's a byway.
It's a byway. Where does
Byway
it
open
say
to all
it's a
traffic
byway?
on the Ordnance Survey map or on Cornwall mapping.
Does it? Okay.
All the way around this little circle here, comes back
If
out.
this, okay, fair enough. This circle is, but down on the actual.
I haven't been down there, I just came from over there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. Just because we're like trying to come up here a bit more,
Yeah.
police it.
Absolutely fine, yeah. I'm part of the TRF, so I don't ride anything illegal.
Give him credit, he's a bit sensible driving past there, you mean? Because some of them would go up this lane too fast.
Yeah.
You mean?
Yeah.
I totally agree with you.
Credit, you did going quietly there, but some of them are really mad, man.
Yeah.
There's some idiots out there.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, there is. No, I fully appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah,
Don't get me wrong,
I'm
yeah.
sorry, I
No, it's all right.
appreciate. Yeah.
Some idiots give everyone a bad name.
Yeah.
And it's something that...
Not be funny, it's out in the woods, I go in the woods over there, and I tell you what, they go past you, they got them, no sympathy, dogs or nothing there.
Nah.
You know what I mean?
There's a lot of idiots.
Yeah, there are.
And it ruins it for everyone because it means, like you know, obviously you've done what your job and everything, but it makes it harder for us
Yeah.
who ride legally and sensibly and courteously.
You were sensible.
Yeah.
No, that's absolutely fine, and I'm really
No,
sorry.
I appreciate you stopping me.
Yeah.
Absolutely fine. I've got no problem with that at all.
Yeah. To work.
Oh dear. Well, have a good one anyway.
Yeah, no, lovely to meet you.
You too. Cheers. Cheers, boss.